Hey Vikings, I'm Sienna.
And I'm Amarae.
And welcome back to this week's broadcast.
Hey Sienna, you take college classes, right?
Yeah, I'm in college English.
How many classes are there?
There's English, math, and welding.
I didn't know they did welding at CCC.
I know, I didn't either. Let's go talk about it.
Here at Northwest, there's an opportunity for high school welders to further their knowledge at CCC.
I signed up for CCC welding because it was something to learn outside of school and know more things about the trades and everything.
Sophomore year, one of my buddies got me to do it, and then I've enjoyed it ever since, and I wanted to learn more in the work field and pursue that as a career path.
Talk to the counselors, see if I could get to do something outside of school instead of schoolwork.
The counselors told me about it and told me to tell my parents, and my parents were like, all right.
I took Northwest welding before I went and signed up for CCC welding.
Did welding 1 and 2.
Every day there's a morning and afternoon class. Each class is 3 hours long.
Right now, class takes about 3 hours to complete one day. It could be like a 2-year program or it could be a 1 year depending on what you want to do.
We mainly learn how to pass bend tests and how to weld uphill, downhill.
I learned how to weld on flux core with MIG. That's pretty hard because you're using 2 different gases and then you have to chip. And I learned MIG, which is just normal.
In the class, there's a few Northwest students and CPI and then college kids that are getting their degrees.
In my class, it's 3 different Northwest kids, and then there's 1 kid, I think, from St. Paul that comes into my class.
My favorite part about being in it is they're flexible with you for if you can't make it there at the designated time, you can come in later and do the class.
Probably the welding, just doing welding, getting out of school early.
If you wish to take the CCC welding class or have questions about it, you can contact your counselor.
That was interesting. I wonder if they can make me something.
Probably not. Anyways, have you heard about Fritsche's resignation?
Oh my gosh, yeah. What made him decide to leave?
I'm not sure, but I would like to know.
Let's go hear about it.
Fritsche submitted his resignation in February of this year.
My favorite memory at Northwest would be every relationship with either staff, students, parents, and all of the awesome people that I've gotten to meet and enjoy while I was here for the last 5 years. I've only been in a position of administration for 5 years, unless you count head collegiate coaching things and stuff like that, where I was in charge of programs.
Mr. Fritsche's had a profound impact on our school. He's a relationship builder. He cares about kids. He's in it for the kids, and our kids love him, and he's also invested in our community, and our parents respect him and trust him, and so he's had a huge impact on our school. He's a close friend of mine. I probably spend more time with him during the school year than I do with my family, and so we've become real close, and so he's definitely impacted my life as well.
Fritsche has made an impact on almost everyone in this school.
I enjoy getting to celebrate and support student athletes and coaches, and be able to watch kids do things that they're passionate about.
The position of activities director can be a tough spot to fill.
It's very similar to a teacher process. We put the job out there for people to see, and then we get applicants, and then Dr. Edwards, in this case, narrows down the applicants to the people that he wants to interview, and then we had different committees interview each candidate. So we had some teachers on a committee, some school board members, administration, and so they went through 2 different interviews, one with the teacher committee and school board, and then one with the administration. And then we go from there and pick the person that we feel best fits Northwest. Through that whole process, we ended up hiring an interim athletic activities director, Cindy Wells, who's been the athletic activities director at Grand Island Senior High for many, many years, retired last year, and so she's going to fill in for 1 year, and then we'll reopen the position early next year, and that way we have a chance to get some really good applicants to come in and fill that position for a longer period of time.
I would tell next year's Vikings to just continue and to maintain the awesome culture and hard work that's already instilled here by a lot of people that are invested in them.
We wish Fritsche the best of luck on his new endeavors in Gretna.
I can't believe Fritsche won't be here next year.
You won't even be here next year.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. I watched last week's dance team tryouts and it was really sad.
I bet so, but I'm excited to see the team.
I know, me too. Let's go backstage and watch.
The dance team hosted tryouts on Saturday, March 29th.
I've been dancing for 11 years. I wanted to try out because I love to dance and I thought dance team was a perfect fit for me.
I've been dancing my whole life and I just think it's so fun and I really wanted to
be a part of the Northwest dance team.
This last year's experience was really fun. We got to go to nationals, so we made lots of new memories, and I like spending time with my teammates.
Next year, the dance team will be having 2 teams, a competition team and a game day team.
Prep clinics leading up every Thursday for like 2 months into tryout week, and then we learn 2 dances, and then we practice skills, and then during the week of tryouts we meet in the morning and we practice the dances that we learned during those prep clinics, and we practice the skills that we're going to show the judges.
This coming year is going to be different because we're split into 2 different teams. Competition team is more competitive, so they go to all the competitions, and then game day, they're just for like football and basketball games.
Some advice that I would give the upcoming freshmen is to just put yourself out there and just have fun and take in all your 4 years of high school, because it's not that long of time, and dance team is really fun and it's a good way to get new friends.
I would say to always be confident and like know what you're doing coming into tryouts, and just to not be scared and just believe in yourself.
I'm looking forward to meeting my new teammates and working on all the new dances and hopefully getting better at dance.
My goal as a team is to just always work hard in practice and like to not let anyone give up on each other.
I really want our team to work on working cohesively and working together as a team and thinking as one, and then hopefully going to nationals again and doing better than we did before, and hopefully to bring back that state championship.
Good luck to the 2025 to 2026 dance team.
The dance team is going to look so good this year.
I know, I'm so excited to dance.
I know, prom is this weekend.
I wonder what songs they're going to play.
Let's go ask our Vikings what they think.
Hey Vikings! I'm Alicia.
And I'm Olivia.
And in honor of prom week,
We're asking the fellow Vikings their dream date and their song requests.
let's go. Hi. So, are you going to prom or no?
No.
Why?
There's like too many girls were asking me and I couldn't choose one, so like I just had to like not go with any.
Out of all the girls that asked you, who would you pick to go to prom? It can be anybody, like famous in the world.
Anybody in the world? I would probably go with Ian Cross's girlfriend if I had a choice. She's sitting over there. You should probably interview her too.
Hey. So, are you going to prom?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So, if you were to pick a song, what would you play at prom?
Oh. Again by Fetty Wap.
Alright. What about you?
I don't know. What song should I play at like prom? What'd I play?
Mo Bamba.
Mo Bamba, there.
If you were to take anybody to prom, who would you take? But like a celebrity.
Who's a baddie?
Pick somebody else.
Madeline Klein, yeah.
Valid. So if you could pick any song to request at prom, what are you picking?
I don't know. I don't know any. Bubblegum? Yeah, bubblegum.
Hey.
What up?
So if you were to go to prom with anybody, who would you go with?
Pretty obvious question is you.
Are you going to prom?
Yes.
Do you have a date?
No.
So if you could pick a date, anybody, who would it be in the world? It could be anybody.
Glenn Powell.
That's a good one.
I hope they play Mo Bamba.
There's better songs.
Whatever. I'm Amarae.
And I'm Sienna.
Peace out, Vikings.